So, yesterday I picked up a bit of a tool haul. Originally, I was going to just pick up a bead roller, and then I got there, started talking to the guy, and he wants to sell a bunch of stuff. I think I'm going to keep most of it. I think I'm going to get rid of the drill press. Well, let's take a look at the Prius that I held it all back in. It is full. As you can see, Prius is tucking some tire. She is full. There's the bead roller in there. Big floor drill press. Belt sander. That cart is for the bead roller. And then this large Beverly shear. Guy said it can cut a 1/8 inch plate, so pretty good. Belt grinder and a bunch of belts. Time to get this thing unloaded. So here's the complete haul. So here's the shear I was talking about. Just mounts to the table. 6-inch bench grinder with good stones on it. This I think it's from Taiwan, but not too bad. It's an older model. This bead roller is homemade, but super thick, good quality. I don't think that's gonna be going anywhere. The drill press is probably sitting at the 5-foot mark. Came with this vise for it, also a Taiwan brand, but I think it's somewhere around the 30-year mark. Then we have this 6-inch belt grinder, Trademaster. Not the greatest, but yeah, like it's one of the older ones, so it's pretty good compared to the stuff you buy now at Canadian Tire or whatever, or Princess Auto. I think the plan is to keep this, sell the drill press, since as you can see I don't really have any room for it. I'm gonna keep the belt sander like over here, I think, by the chop saw or the bandsaw. But yeah, I paid $425. No, $430. 4 extra belts. So another wild thing too is this bead roller is mounted to this plate, and that's like 1/2-inch plate, which is kind of crazy. And then I have this cart as well, and it just sits on top. So yeah, pretty good haul. But yeah, I think drill press is not staying with me. Hoping to get, I'm gonna put it up for $300. If I get somewhere in 2, it'd be great. And then everything just got a lot cheaper. So pretty good haul in the old Prius. Still running strong, 400,000 kilometers. Not sure what that is in miles, but love this car. Man, I can't believe I was gonna do that with the car in here. That would have been a bad idea. So, I think this is how I'm gonna run the bead roller, right? So, whenever I need it, lock it in the vise, lots of room to move it. Probably gonna make a new wheel for it because that one's kind of sharp. Here's the shear. Yeah, made in Chicago, USA. Model B1. Drilling vise. I think I'm just gonna use that for fab. You know, sit it on the table. Do need to find a home for this. That'll be for grinding random metal, drill bits and whatnot. And then I'm gonna use this one just for tungstens on the TIG welder. Sander's in its place. I think it's a pretty good spot. I'll still be able to use it and I'll be able to get in and out of the car fine. I could technically still use that. This toolbox, I gotta get it out so I can put it underneath the TIG welder. Maybe I'll even put it on top, I'm not sure. I gotta do that. But then to the cart. So this is a nice thick plate on top. I'm gonna keep the plate, maybe clean off the back side so it's a nice flat plate again. Take off all the angle iron. Cart I'm gonna sell, hopefully I get 20 bucks for it, be all right. And then drill press. I'm going to clean it up, put it up on Marketplace. Hopefully get rid of it soon. Once I get it all clean, I'm just gonna turn it sideways so it sucks in against the wall. I don't have to worry about hitting it with my car. So I hope you enjoyed the tool haul that I got. Super pumped, really good deal. Really nice guy, he's moving out east, so just want to get rid of it. I was there with a Prius and some cash, so easy as that. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll see what we're up to.